Session 3. GST and Power Tariff Challenges in the Steel Sector. The steel sector faces significant challenges with GST and power tariff that undermines its efficiency and financial stability. High GST rates on raw materials and issues with input tax credit availment not only increases the production cost and reduces profitability as well, and also the burden on genuine buyers. Additionally, steep power tariffs exacerbate the strain on the sector due to high energy expenses. Now, I'd like to invite the panelists for this session on the stage. I would like to invite our first panelist, Shri Yogesh Mandhani ji, President IFA Sustainable Steel Manufacturers Association. Shri Yogesh Mandhani ji is a seasoned business leader with over 20 years of experience in manufacturing and business sectors. He currently serves as the director at the Construction Industry Development Council, President of IFA, All India Induction Furnace Association, and Chairman of Bharat Ferro Alloys Private Limited and SMW Ispat Private Limited. Known for his expertise in sustainable steel and agriculture, Mr. Mandhani ji is actively pursuing net zero carbon emissions and is involved with various committees in Maharashtra focusing on circular economy and labor issues. We welcome you, sir. Next up, we have Shri. I request audience to please be seated. We have started with our session. I request the audience to please be seated. We have started with our session. Next up, we have Shri Anshum Goyal, Managing Director, French Steel Group. Mr. Anshum Goyal ji has been actively working in field since 2005 with a deep interest in technology, AI, and tax-related matters. His expertise spans across various sectors, making him a well-respected professional in his domain. We welcome you, sir. Next up, we have Shri Sushil Solanki ji, ex-Principal Commissioner on GST and Custom Department. Shri Sushil Solanki ji has a distinguished career spanning over 30 years. He joined the Indian Revenue Services IRS in 1985, serving in the Customs and Excise Department until 2016. A chartered accountant and holder of an MSc in Fiscal Studies from the University of Bath, he is currently a partner at TLC Regal in Mumbai. We welcome you, sir. Next up, we have Shri Vivek Ladha. Shri Vivek Ladha ji, Advocate, Bombay High Court. Mr. Vivek Ladha is a prominent litigator, consultant, and author in specializing in GST and metal industry. As the founder and national head of Law Brothers, he offers consultancy and litigation services to over 100 CA and law firms across India. We welcome you, sir. Next up, we have Shri Abhay Harne, Additional Director Projects, Maharashtra State Power Generation Company Limited. Shri Abhay Harne ji is a key figure at MHAGENCO, the state power utility with the highest overall generation capacity in India, including a thermal installed capacity of 13,222 megawatts. We welcome you, sir. Next, we would like to call the moderator of this session, Shri Yashraj Pitti, SRJ Strips and Pipes Private Limited. A third-generation entrepreneur with a demonstrated history of value creation in the steel industry and food production industry, we would like to welcome you. Next up, we have the session chairman, Shri Abhay Bakre. He is the Director General of the Bureau of Energy Efficiency. He has an MTech from IIT Kharagpur and is a member of 1988 batch of Indian Railways Electrical Engineering Services. His career includes key roles in railway projects, energy conservation programs, and environmental initiatives, including representing India in COP21 and COP22. Welcome you, sir. We also have another panelist in the session, Shri Kamal Agrawal ji, Honorable General Secretary, IFA. Mr. Agrawal ji has been deeply involved in his family's steel manufacturing business and has served as Honorary Secretary General of IFA for over 30 years. The association represents small and medium steel units in India and serves as a crucial link between the secondary steel sector and government bodies. We welcome you, sir. Now I request the moderator to take over.
Good evening, everybody. It's a pleasure to welcome you all to today's panel discussion on a subject that is both timely and critical for the Indian secondary steel industry, the intersection of goods and services tax and the power sector challenges that we face. As we all know, the electric furnace industry plays a vital role in contributing to India's overall steel production and its global competitiveness. However, the sector is facing significant operational pressures from fluctuating power costs to the intricacies of GST compliance. These issues not only affect the financial health of companies, but also have a ripple effect on the entire value chain. Today, we'll explore the complexities and opportunities presented by the current GST regime, particularly for smaller and medium-scale enterprises, and the ongoing challenges related to energy costs and availability, which remain a significant cost driver in this energy-intensive sector. We'll discuss how policies and regulatory changes, including recent amendments in the tax laws and reforms in the power sector, are shaping the industry. I'd just like to give a brief of how we have bifurcated the entire session. We'll first start by a small note by our session chairman. Then we will focus first on the GST related points, and then we'll be shifting to the power related points. And at the end, we'll have a small Q&A with the entire audience that are present here. So I'd like to start with my questions now. Or actually, I'd like Abhay ji to please take over.